Hello ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and today I wanted to bring you two of the new Outre Human Hair Blend 5x5 units. I have both of the 24-inch units, the Water Wave and the Body Curl. The cap construction is basic, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. I'm not going to pluck them because they're closures, so not much will show anyway. I also intend to pull out my own hair on the sides. That's why I got a 1B to blend with my own gray and black hair. I love the feel of these human hair blends and how my own hair blends with them. The length is good too, although I prefer a 20 to 22 inch unit. I think these units are beautiful, but I do have a con, and it's something I've always had an issue with, and that is the tabs. As you know, most lace fronts have a tab on each end by your ear, but since these are 5x5, the tab sits on your temples, so it's difficult to hide them. I wish they would make them in a way that leaves the unit flat and easier to blend. Other than that, I love these units. And if you got one, tell me how you feel about it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.